Hello, my listeners. You're welcome once again to my page, Obina Riago Tech. Today, I want to teach you about factory reset. Whenever your phone is having trouble, maybe the phone is not operating very well, the phone is malfunctioning, it's not downloading from the Play Store, the phone is hanging, not the problem of touchpad, but maybe the software problem from the phone. What you have to do, simply go to setting, go find the setting on these apps, find the app, setting is written, look at this one, my own is here, setting. I will click the setting, you move down to the system, try to find where reset option is written on your Android phone. Look at it, this reset option, where it is written. From this option we can wipe away everything, virus that has been harming our phone or that has occupied the space of our phone, that we cannot do anything with our phone. Maybe the phone is hanging. Whenever you want to do anything with the phone will not operate as you want. The problem used to be virus. When virus enter some phones, maybe sometimes you see where it will always write delete some data, memory full. Whenever a phone has started writing this, even if you delete data, it will still write it. It means that the virus has occupied your phone. Now follow me, let's go to this reset option. The reset option, you go to factory reset. This factory data reset is very sensitive. You don't do it anyhow on your phone. And whenever you want to do it, try to remove your SIM card so that both contact on your SIM card will not delete. But whenever you do a factory data reset on your phone, all the contact on your phone will wipe away. Your Gmail account, everything will wipe away. The phone will come as a new phone. The day you bought it, the way it was looking, that is how your phone will look again. You start afresh to put some apps. So this factory reset is where you can go to flash your phone. When you flash it, everything will come back to normal. Thank you very much. Until we meet again next time, I will keep on updating you on some factors you don't know on this app Android phone. Thank you and goodbye.